Why is the iPhone so popular? Since its release in 2007, the iPhone has been a massively successful product for Apple, which says it has sold more than 100 million units in the iPhone's first 4 years, including 18.6 million in the first quarter of 2011. One of the advantages that Apple had in designing the iPhone was that it had complete control over the hardware and software, allowing both to operate in synergy. Because the iPhone has the functionality of a mobile phone, portable media player, game console, and handheld computer in a single device, it is popular with many types of consumers. 1. Design. At the time of its release, the physical design of the iPhone differed significantly from that of other smartphones. The front of the iPhone has a single physical button that displays the device's main menu. The rest of the device consists of a large touch-sensitive screen that lets the user access all of the iPhone's functions. 2. Power. The dual-core A4 processor of the iPhone 4 runs at up to 1 GHz and has integrated 3D graphics acceleration capabilities. In addition, the iPhone 4 has 512 MB of RAM. The iPhone compares favorably in power to portable gaming systems such as the Sony PSP, which has a 333 MHz processor. Because the iPhone has power comparable to a standalone portable game console and is also a smartphone, some customers may choose to buy one rather than purchase a PSP or Nintendo DS. The iPhone's striking design has contributed greatly to its success, leading other manufacturers to design phones with similar interfaces. In 2011, Apple initiated a lawsuit against Samsung for allegedly copying the iPhone's design with its Galaxy S 4G phone. 3. Multimedia features. The iPhone is also an iPod. Using iTunes, you can synchronize audio and video content from your computer with the device and enjoy media on the go. The iPod is the world's most popular portable media player. Many consumers are comfortable with the iPod's interface and already use iTunes to manage their media libraries. That makes an iPhone a natural purchase for a satisfied iPod owner who needs a new mobile phone. For App Store, Apple distributes more than 350,000 applications for the iPhone through the iTunes App Store, which you can access through the iPhone or via iTunes on your computer. These applications extend the capabilities of the iPhone far beyond what one might expect from a mobile phone. The applications available include software for creating and viewing Office documents, games, applications for viewing updates from websites and programs for chatting online. Although smartphones running operating systems such as Windows Mobile had the ability to install and run programs long before the release of the iPhone, installing programs required technical knowledge and was often difficult for new users to accomplish. The iPhone was the first phone to integrate the software with the device in a way that any user could understand.